Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a sunset type of look. I'm going to start off with my eyes. That's why I already have my eyebrows and I primed my eyes already. I just put concealer on it. I used a Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out again just to take out any creases I may have. And I didn't set it, that's why I'm doing this. I'm going to go straight in with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna start off with my Jaclyn Hill palette with the mustard yellow color in there. And this is gonna be my transition shade. I'm just packing it on my brush. And I'm starting in the corner and starting to blend it. Alright, so this is gonna be kind of like a halo look. So even though the yellow, I did focus it more on the crease of my eye. The rest of the colors, I'm also going to be focusing it on the inner and the outer corner as well. So for my next color, I'm going to go in. Do these have the colors in the back? Yes, I'm going to go in with, hold up. Let me make sure it's the right color. Going to go in with Hunts from the same Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to be putting this in my crease and my inner and outer corner. Just blending it out. This look is going to be a lot of blending because you want to make sure that all of the colors go well together. And if you do have a hard time going from such like a bright orange to the yellow or from the yellow to the bright orange, it's a good idea to add like a shade that's in between the both of the two, like maybe like a light brown. That's going to help if you're not so comfortable with blending that much or find it a bit harder blending such different colors. Okay, and now that I have that blended as much as I want it to be, I'm going to go in with Jax from the same Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to basically repeat the same steps. This color is just a bit darker. And the only difference with this one is I'm actually going to pack this on the inner and the outer corner like this, just to add that color. Make sure it's really there. And now for my darkest color, I'm going to go in with Chip from the Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill one. It's just a very dark brown. I'm going to focus that in the center of the crease. And on the inner and outer corner, this color is also going to help blend the glitter shadow that I'm going to be putting there. Alright, and now that I have that blended how I like it, I'm going to go back in with that mustard yellow color. I'm just going to go back and blend out the edges. And just make sure that that color doesn't get lost, because it is pretty dark towards the center, but we still want to be able to see a clear gradient between the colors. Today, since I'm going to be using the Stila liquid metal in rose gold retro, and it's very pigmented, so I'm just going to be using this, but I am going to be taking a flat brush and going in with that instead of directly with the actual product. Just going to put that in the center of my lid and do the same thing that I would have done with the, see how pretty that is, with the concealer, but instead with this. Okay, so now that I have the glitter on there, I'm just gonna kind of wait for it to dry a bit, and then I'm going to go back in with the shadow and blend out the edges. I'm just gonna be using a fluffy brush to do that. I'm gonna be using a mix of the dark brown and the last orangey red that I had used. I'm just kind of gonna be blending in the edges together with the shadow to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Okay, and now that I have that blended to how I want it to be, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes, put on mascara, lashes. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so I did just finish my makeup. I went ahead and I added a lipstick, and then this is how the eyes came out. So pretty. The sun's really bright out right now. But yeah, I also did my, oh my god, my highlight. I'm trying to show it good. Oh my goodness. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, and then I layered King by Kylie Cosmetics on top, so it would look like this. But yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.